Hey, what's happening guys? Hope you all are doing well. This is Tito back with another video, and this is a different kind of video. Today in this video I'm gonna talk about what you should do after your phone gets 1.5 or 2 years old and something like the headphone jack or the power button breaks down, or you just notice that something is not working as it should. So without further any more delay, let's make it happen. Well, first of all, I faced these kind of issues. So as you can see, even though the headphone jack is connected physically, but it keeps disconnecting with or without even touching. And the power button does not really work properly, like it works only 5 out of 10 times. And yes, after I faced this kind of issues, I did go to the service center first, and I was not expecting like very cheap kind of solution, but I wasn't expecting that expensive either. Service center guy told me that they have to replace the motherboard fully to repair the headphone jack, and they said it will cost me around 7,500 rupees, which is just huge. So I had to find a solution for this, and right away I headed over to AliExpress. Like you can do it too if you find that your headphone jack or power button or the charging port or any other thing you find that is not working, and if you think it's a hardware problem, just head on over to AliExpress or any other Chinese websites like that. I prefer AliExpress because I have ordered like ton of products from there, and always it took around 1 or 2 months. And that's a plane. Alright, no, that's a helicopter, I guess. Maybe a plane, I don't know. And first I ordered the headphone jack from AliExpress. It costed me around 100 rupees. I mean, I ordered 2 for 200 rupees. So 1 is 100, quick maps. And as you can see, this came with 2 headphone jack inside this package. This one box is empty because I already replaced it with my broken unit. And this is how the new headphone jack part looks like physically. Take a good look if you need to. Later I ordered the power button. It costed me around 133 rupees or something. This is how the full package should look like after it gets delivered. I will just cut it open to show you guys the power and volume buttons part. So this is the thing right here. Well, handle these things carefully, or unless you may even break them. Take a good look if you need to. You can just search for these parts on AliExpress by the name of your phone and the parts name. And when these parts gets delivered to your home, just go to any local reputed mobile repair shop with these, and they will just replace it with the broken one. You can even bargain with them about the fixing cost if you want to, but most of the time they charge less for these things. You do not have to worry. And for replacing the headphone jack from like a local shop, it costed me around 80 rupees. So that is really cheap. If you sum it up, the total cost of repairing the headphone jack, it costed me around 100 rupees for the hardware and 80 rupees for the repair cost. So that's 180 rupees, and boom, you have the new headphone jack working. And for the power button, it costed me around 140 for the hardware, and if you replace it from a local shop, it will cost you around 60 or 70 or 80 rupees, like which totals like 200 or 250 rupees, which is really cheap. And the products which I ordered from AliExpress were totally shipping free and no custom charges. Like these are the small things, that's why no custom charges, I guess. And it took me around 1 or 2 months to come each product. So that's a long time to wait, but it's worth it. So I thought of sharing this experience with you guys so that you can do it yourself other than going to the service center. So that's it, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching guys. Hit the big thumbs up button if you like this video, and subscribe to the channel right here if you like my work. This is Tito from Headphone Jack signing off. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.